So Roberto,
Hi, Zonnetje. Nice to meet you.
and Roberto, maybe you can explain what material we have on the linoleum product.
Yes, for sure.
Okay.
See you later.
See you later. Bye-bye.
So Laura, nature is the main supplier for linoleum raw materials. Indeed, it's made of linseed oil, pine resin, calcium carbonate, cork and wood. All abundant and natural raw materials, and when it's possible, coming from local supplier, as cork for instance. This is giving to lino a 36% in average of recycled content inside.
And we're in the middle of the factory right now, and we can hear that too. How is linoleum made?
Yes, you're right, Laura. We are very close to our production department where we are mixing all our raw materials. Linseed oil and pine resin are combined together to obtain a biopolymer that is then mixed together with all the other raw materials. This linoleum paste is then spread onto jute and put in curing chambers to finalize the oxidation. After this, we just put a protection on top and we cut in rolls for the customer.
Sounds interesting. Can you show me more, Roberto?
For sure, follow me, Laura.
So, Roberto, where are we right now?
You are in front of the recycle center where all the production waste are recovered and reused, together with the post-installation coming from job sites. In this department, jute and lino are separated and granulated and be able to be recovered in production.
How is this process sustainable?
We are lucky because the material is natural and the process has been improved a lot. All the water has a closed loop. 100% of renewable energy is used. Photovoltaic panels have been installed, allowing the production to reduce the CO2 impact, having a result close to zero.
I think that sounds very interesting. I'm also very curious about circularity.
So Thomas will tell you much more about this and is waiting for you in the next step.
Okay, thank you, Roberto. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
What happens with the linoleum floors at the end of their life? What about the recycling process, for example?
So actually the linoleum floors are recyclable. So we can fully recycle the product here in our process. So we will collect the floor post-use, so at the end of the use of the floor, and then we have a specific process here and we can reintegrate the old floors in the new products. In order to collect the floors, we have set a program in place, the same as Carpet, which is called Restart, which enables installers or the building company to send us back the floor at the end of life. And thanks to this, we can also save material, and we have collected more than 119,000 tons of product since the product process was launched.
So collaborations are very important in this process as well, right?
Exactly. Collaboration is very important in the process and is a cornerstone of the process and of the circular economy. So for us, it's collaboration with the building company or the installing company who will be able to collect the product at the end of life. But it's also collaboration with industries, partners who can provide waste for the use of our material. And we have an example in one of our recipes with the cork, which we collect from a local industry for which this cork is a waste and we reuse it in our process.
So Thomas, I think this sounds very promising, but what can we expect in the future?
So as we have seen, linoleum is really a natural and historical product, but it's also a product which answers our current needs of the building industry. And we strongly believe as well that in the future, and with the strategy of beauty of circularity, linoleum is a perfect product to help us to fight climate change and to further reduce the carbon footprint of our solution.
Thank you so much for today.
Thank you.
It was wonderful to discover that floors can be produced in a sustainable way and be given a new life. Let's care about our floors and contribute this beautiful circular journey.